Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. On this channel, we share information related to WordPress, blogging, product tutorials, and other related topics. Brainstormforce has recently released an update for its free Starter Templates plugin. And in this video, we're going to discuss what's new in Starter Templates 3.0. Now, before we dive into this update, let's just talk a bit about Brainstormforce and the Starter Templates plugin. Now, Brainstormforce is the company behind popular WordPress products like Astra WordPress theme, Ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg, Ultimate add-ons for Elementor header, footer, and blog templates, starter templates, and more. Now, most of these products have active installs to the tune of 500,000 to over 1,000,000, which makes them quite popular WordPress products. Links to every product will be in the description box below if you want to check them out. You can check them out. Most of these products are available in both free and premium version. Feel free to download the free versions and give them a try if you want to. Now, when it comes to Starter Templates plugin, it is another free plugin by Brainstormforce that is a collection of basically free and premium templates that you can download and use on your site with just one click. If you are struggling to come up with a unique design for your site, then this plugin is for you. Now, although this plugin is free to use, you will find certain templates that are only available to use for the premium users, which means you will have to pay for those templates to use them on your site or to download them. Now, it is important to know this plugin is compatible with any theme and any page builder. This is an amazing plugin. I have used it on some of the sites, and in this update, quite a lot of new features have been added, and its functionality has been improved by Brainstormforce. So in this article, we are going to cover everything. This is again going to be a comparison style video where we have installed both these versions. One of the tabs will have the new version of starter templates, and the other tab is going to have the older version of starter templates, and we're going to look at all of the changes by comparing both of those windows. That way you will be able to understand it more clearly what the difference exactly is. Now, before we move forward, let's just talk a bit more about this update that Brainstormforce has released for the starter templates plugin. First things first, this plugin is built using React, so it is quite fast from before. Then certain features have been updated as well. For example, search has been updated. Its UI has changed. New feature like visualization has been introduced, where you will be able to upload a logo, select typography, color schemes to see if that template works for your design or not. Now, in this article, we are going to discuss everything. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. The next thing we are going to do is I'll be sharing my screen and will be taking you through the setup that I'm using for this video. Hello guys, and welcome to the setup of this video. As you can see, we have two tabs in this browser. The first tab is the Starter Templates 3.0, which is this one, and the second tab is the Starter Templates 2.7, which is this one. Now, the Starter Templates 2.7 has the version of the plugin 2.7.5, which was the version prior to 3.0. And in the Starter Templates 3.0, we have the latest version of the Starter Templates plugin, which is the 3.1.5. Now, as far as the theme is concerned, we are using the Astra free theme. And the reason behind this is simple. It is a theme by Brainstormforce and nothing else. We are using the free theme in case you want to check out the Starter Templates plugin or the free Astra theme. Links to everything will be in the description box below. Now, it is important to know that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I will make a small commission if you decide to purchase a product using my link. Now, it will come at no extra cost to you, but it will help support the channel so that we can create free content for you. Now, with that said, let's just jump to the first change that has been introduced in Starter Templates 3.0. Now, the first change that we are going to discuss in this video is the improvement to the UI of the plugin. And for that, what we will have to do is we'll have to visit the Starter Templates library, and there are two ways to visit the Starter Templates library. Now, the first one you can see right here, you can click this See Library option, and it will take you to the Starter Templates library, or you can go to the Appearance menu over here and see the Starter Templates option. You can click it and it will take you to the same Starter Library option. Now, let me just click Starter Templates over here and open it in a new tab. Let me just go to the Starter Templates 2.7 and do the same thing. And here, Now let's just first go to the Starter Templates 2.7 tab and see what is the first screen that you see. Now here is the screen that you used to get before, Starter Templates 3.0. It will ask you to select a page builder. And this is the, and this dashboard is inside your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so you will have to select a page builder over here. I'm going to select Gutenberg. And it will show you all of the templates. Now you can see the search bar over here, the option to change the page builder over here, the filtering options, the search filters over here, and these are the templates that you can use and download. Now let's just go to the latest version of Starter Templates plugin and see it for ourselves. Now in the latest version of the Starter Templates library, what you are going to see is a welcome video first. Now if you scroll down a little, what you will get is an option to build your website. You need to click build your website now over here, and it will show you an option to select a page builder plugin. Now a difference that you will notice from the start is the option to select Breezy is missing in Starter Templates 3.0 or in the latest version of Starter Templates plugin. Now the reason behind this is the option has been deprecated. This means you will no longer be able to download templates for Breezy page builder using this plugin. Here I'm going to select again the block editor, the Gutenberg block editor, and you will see all of the options over here. Now the second difference that you will have to see here is that this is another dashboard that is connected to your dashboard, but these templates are currently not in your dashboard. Now these templates are in your WordPress dashboard, while these templates are in a dashboard of its own. You can see the option to change the editor from here. Now it's pretty simple. It's pretty nice. The dashboard is pretty clean. The search option is over here. The option to all of the filters are over here. You can filter based on popularity or the latest from here. This is the toggle. This is a drop down using which you can do that. Now another thing that you will have to know here is that if you want access to pro templates, then you will have to get the essential bundle from Astra. That bundle or above, the growth bundle as well, comes up with the premium starter templates, and it comes at a single at a lower price. You can buy it for a lifetime or you can pay it for annually. It depends on you, but we'll be discussing those options at the very end of the video. Now the next big change that you will notice in the Starter Templates version 3.0 and above is the changes to the search function and the sorting functionality. Now for this, let's just go to Starter Templates version 2.7 and see it for ourselves. Now when you go to Starter Templates version 2.7, you will see the search box is on top and the sorting options are available right here. You can click this and you will see based on the purpose and on the pricing, you can sort these templates out. Now this has changed in Starter Templates 3.0 and above. Now let's just go back to Starter Templates 3.0. and the search box is much more prominent. First you can see this is the search box, then you can basically sort these templates out based on their purpose or industry using these options over here. Each of these has a drop down. Okay, also you can sort based on the popularity or which one is the latest. So this is another change. Now as far as the search is concerned, the search in Starter Templates before 3.0 was quite basic, as when you used to type in the keyword, let me just type in one keyword and you will notice the difference yourself. It will show you a bunch of suggestions. The real-time display was not that smooth, but this has changed in the latest version of Starter Templates, where the display of the real-time search results is quite smooth now. Let's just go and type in the same blog over here, and you will see it will display you all the starter templates for blog. There are no suggestions like you used to see in the previous version of the Starter Templates plugin. Okay, it will show you all of the templates for blogs over here, and you can scroll through and select it for yourself. Okay, so this is another change. This change for me is quite an interesting one because this makes the search function much more smoother as compared to before. Once you will use it, you will understand it. And also a big difference is that why this search feels quite clunky is that the templates are inside the dashboard. You don't get the experience in itself while this is another dashboard. So you can see these templates in full screen and the experience is much more better than before. Now in case this would have been in full screen, I think so things would have been quite similar. Okay, so major difference that I've noticed in both of these is the sorting feature, which is this one and this one, that is right below the search box, which is quite prominent in 3.0 and above. Then you can see over here this there was sorting options were right next to the search bar. The search bar was quite small as compared to the one that you get right now. Okay, and you know, this filtering option for the page builder plugin, for the page builder that you are using over here on top, this makes things much more interesting. You get it over here and you get it over here. Okay, so this is another change that we have noticed. Now that you are familiar with the search function in the starter templates version 3.0 and above, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the introduction of a new feature. Now this feature, let me just begin by saying that this feature already existed in Starter Templates plugin, but this feature has now been made a part of the sequence. The process is much more smoother, and let me just take you to the Starter Templates version 2.7 and show it to you what that feature was and how that feature has now been made a part of the process. So let's just go to Starter Templates here, select this template over here, and you see the preview site button over here. Click this preview site button and you see the option to customize over here. Okay, you can click this customize option, select any of the colors, you will see the changes instantly. Select any of the fonts from here and you will see the changes instantly. And then you can see what works for you, and then you can go in here and import the complete site. Okay, or import the template that you want to, basically the home page. Now this has changed in Starter Templates 3.0, and to see this, let's just select this template only. Now when you select this template, the first option that you get is the option to upload a logo. Okay, this option was missing in Starter Templates in the previous version of Starter Templates. Let me just go here, click preview site again, and here when I click customize, you will see there is no option basically to upload a logo, but this option is available here. So this is the latest option that you will see. Again, the logo option is the new option. Rest two options is the next two options that you will see is the already existing options that have been included in the flow. So basically, to upload a logo, all you have to do is you can click over here, select a file from the media library, or upload a file from your computer. It's up to you, whatever is that you want to do. Starter Templates allows you to basically add or upload a logo into your template just to see how the design looks. Now this is a massive thing, because I've seen people struggle with logos. Even I struggle with logos at times, because you know, it doesn't fit the look and feel of the website that we are going for, because we have a design in mind. I always think people have a design in mind, it's just that they cannot put it into paper because certain aspects of it aren't working. So what you can do here is you can just go over here, upload a logo. Let me just select this one, click select over here, adjust the logo width from here, and then click continue. Now you see again the same options that you were seeing in the version of Starter Templates before 3.0. The same option is the same option you will get here. You can change the color by, you know, selecting any of these color schemes over here. Simple. Changes are reflected again instantly. Let me just select this one. Now changes to the font. Again, you change the font, change the font. Changes are reflected instantly. Okay, let me just select this one. This one is what I like. Okay, let's just click continue over here. Now when you click continue, it will take you to a very it will take you to an onboarding sequence like this. Now what happens here? Now when you click import complete site, it will take you to it's very similar onboarding sequence like this. You can fill out a bit of information over here. Let me just select I'm a beginner, I'm building a website for myself, and click next. They have asked for my first name. I'm going to enter it. Enter a first name. My name is just me. Okay. Now when you click this submit and start importing option, what it does is basically it will directly import the template. Let me just click it over here. You can see the import process has begun and they are showing you the progress right there. Now this is quite reserved sort of a progress that is going inside of your WordPress dashboard. Now once the import process will complete, it will go to 100%. Now remember, this can take a bit of time depending on the connection that you have. Okay, so the template is successfully imported. We can close this button over here and let's just go to the latest version of Starter Templates and see this process. The onboarding sequence was quite similar. Same things, your first name, your work email, and then this option. Beginner, myself, my company. Now you can see here that the process that they are showing it to you right now is quite let me say refined. That's all I can say. The UI has changed again. Now one of the major reasons is this dashboard is connected to your dashboard. Basically this isn't going inside of your dashboard, so that is one of the differences. Plus they are showing you every step of the way what they are doing. Now they were showing it there as well, but we tend to ignore it when the screen size is too small. Okay, now they are showing that they're installing the forms, plugins, themes, this and that. The ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg is activated. I don't think so that was going on there. This much detailing wasn't going on there. Now this can take a bit of time depending on the internet connection that you have. So we're going to wait it out a second. Okay. You can see once this thing is done, it will tell you that your website is ready, and it just took 1.5 minutes to, basically 1 minute and 50 seconds probably to build your site, and we can view it from here. Okay. Again, the option to visit the site you get over here, and the option to close this thing is right over here. In case you want to visit, we can visit the site from here and it will open it in a new tab. You can see this is probably the design that we have selected. Okay, so this is in the Starter Templates 2.7. Let me just close it, close this as well, and this is in the Starter Templates 3.0. You can see all of the changes are retained. Your logo is right over here and the color scheme is right over here. This is the Starter Templates 3.0. And in case you want to go back to your dashboard, this is the button. You can click right over here and it will take you to your dashboard. Now this is the basically the changes that you will see in the new version of Starter Templates plugin. Now these are all the changes. Now let's just recap these changes once again. So the first change that you have seen was to the UI, which was if you visited the Starter Templates library, it is another dashboard that is attached to your dashboard. That is the first thing. It is much more cleaner now. The search box is much more prominent. You can change the editors from here. Breezy has been deprecated. The options to sort templates is over here, and you can sort based on recently included and the popular templates as well. So this is another change. Now as far as the new features are concerned, the visualization part has been included in the import feature. Basically this is where when you click this template, it basically allows you to upload a logo file over here, adjust the logo width over here. Then you can, in case you want to upload it, you can upload it. We already have it. We don't want to upload this template. Basically we are going through the notion of everything again. So I'm going to click skip and continue. You can change the default colors from here. Changes will be introduced instantly. You can see the changes being done instantly, and you can change the font over here and then click continue and import that template. The last and final change was to the end screen that you see, where it shows you step by step what's going on. It gives you all of the details of what the plugin is basically doing when it is importing the template. You will see plugins being activated, the images being imported, and more. So now that you are familiar with the changes and improvements in the Astra Templates plugin version 3.0 and above, let's just take a look at the pricing for the Essential Bundle, where you will get access to the Premium Starter Templates. Now for this, let me just open up the pricing page and show it to you. Now here is the pricing page from Astra. Now you can see here that Astra, you can buy Astra Pro, Essential Bundle, or Growth Bundle, any of it that you want to buy. But the important thing to note here is that the Premium Starter Templates are not available with Astra Pro. They are available in either Essential Bundle or Growth Bundle. Now the difference between Essential Bundle and Growth Bundle is that the Growth Bundle includes everything that is included in the Essential Bundle and comes with additional plugins like Convert Pro, Schema Pro, Ultimate add-ons. Here you get the option to select one. Here you get both. Then access to the Skilljet Academy and access to all of the future products, whatever Brainstormforce is working on. If they release it, you will get access to it. Okay, so this is one thing. Now in the Essential Bundle, what you get is the Astra Pro theme, these Premium Starter Templates, 180 of them, the WP Portfolio plugin, choice of one, and all of these things, the updates, the support, the unlimited website usage, and extensive training. Now these are the annual pricing. In case you want to look for the lifetime pricing, then you need to click here. Now all three products are available in lifetime pricing, and the best thing is to go for the one-time pricing, because then you don't have to pay for anything in the long run. And basically lifetime pricing is the ultimate unlimited pricing. This is the ultimate saving deal, because here you can use this plugin or theme, or you can use these plugins and themes included in your plan on any of the websites that you own. Maybe you own 100 websites. You can use them on those 100 websites in case you want to. Okay, so this makes it very, very cost effective for you. Now another thing that you need to know here is that you will get support, unlimited lifetime support with the lifetime plans. This means you have the team from Astra or Brainstormforce backing you up for every problem that you face. Basically, if you face any problem related to the Astra theme or the products included in your team in your plan, you can directly contact them and they'll sort it out for you. Okay, so make sure you check these plans out. Link to everything will be in the description box below. Now again, some of the links will be affiliate links, which means we'll be making a small commission. Now this will help us create content for you in the long run. Now this concludes everything that you need to know about the Starter Templates 3.0 update. In the next video, we're going to cover how can you easily enable Breezy templates in the Starter Templates in the latest version of the Starter Templates plugin as it was deprecated in version 3.0 and above. That will be an easy step-by-step tutorial that you can follow and get that Breezy option back and import the templates if you want to. So we will be sharing that with you. Now if you are finding the content on this channel helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications. Also the links to our socials and the free Starter Templates plugin and the templates included are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.